Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Bilibara 63-inch Foldable Dog Pool. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Experience the versatility of our dog swimming pool, offering a variety of possibilities to cater to your furry friends' preferences, whether you seek a refreshing pool, convenient sink, playful sandbox, or entertaining fountain, whether they fancy a refreshing dip, a playful splash, or simply lounging by the water's edge, our dog pool accommodates it all. It can also double as a convenient sink for grooming or a relaxing spot for your pooch to cool off on a hot day. Our meticulously crafted kids pool with sprinkler, made with high-quality PP plywood, provides exceptional durability and stability. Even when immersed in water for extended periods, it maintains its shape without deformities or collapses. And, the specially designed non-slip surface provides a secure foothold for dogs of all sizes and playful kids. The sprinkler feature adds an extra layer of fun, creating a cool and interactive environment for all to enjoy. The Kiddie pool incorporates an elbow inlet, providing stable water pressure for a controlled and enjoyable spray without any messy splashing. And, the sprinkler pool for kids is intelligently designed with a high water level outlet, preventing any overflow while maintaining a stable spray effect. Keep Kiddie pool pristine and ensure a clean and tidy environment with ease. Transform your backyard into a water wonderland with our sprinkler pool, perfect for endless outdoor fun. Our swimming pool for kids features double drainage ports and an intermediate connector, making cleaning and water replacement effortless. The double drain design of dog pools with sprinklers speeds up the drainage, saving you time and effort. Moreover, the intermediate connector of splash pad bathtub allows you to direct the discharged water wherever you desire. Whether it's watering your beloved flowers or draining them directly into an underground waterway. Our 63-inch foldable dog pools for large dogs comes in various sizes to suit your specific requirements. Our kids pools for backyard are incredibly easy to install and store. Set dog swimming pool up or put it away in minutes, without occupying excessive space. The hard plastic pool can be easily set up in your backyard, patio, or even taken along for a day at the beach. Experience the joy and laughter as your pets and children splash, play, and create cherished memories together. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. And press the bell, select all and press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.